Hello, welcome back. So, I have some more signs for you. Okay. In this video, we will learn to have nothing, must, need, to finish, none or nothing, and not yet for now. And then I'll go to the second half. Okay. To have. Yeah, so like have nothing. So the sign for have, to have, and nothing. None or nothing. It's 2 zeros and like that. Nothing. Have nothing. Must is once, and it's strong. Must. Must. And need is the same sign, but it's more than once, so need. So must and need. To finish. None or nothing. Not yet. There are 2 ways to do this. So one is just a facial expression and one is the facial expression with a sign. So you either go like this. Oh, let me just start with the facial expression. So the facial expression is like you're saying the TH sound. And you shake your head. So you either go just like this, or you add on this sign, so like this. Yeah, so either like this or like that. Yeah, this is not my favorite sign. I don't like the facial expression, but yeah. I don't know why, but someone created this. I would totally love to make my own sign language. That would be cool. I have a sign for anything and everything. It's so fun. I want to make my own, my own sign language. The whole world can understand. Okay, sorry. Let me go back to what I was saying. To my signs. Okay. Okay, now, the time, telling time, hotel, a letter, remember, brush teeth, email you, email me, email, and tell you. So the time. Like you're pointing to your watch. Telling time. So I can do like from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And you're like, how do you know AM or PM? Well, we don't sign AM or PM. We just sign morning or night. So like if it's 9 a.m. you'd sign 9 in the morning. 9 in the night you sign 9 p.m. you sign 9 in the night. Yeah. So okay, so oh yes, and if you didn't learn 1 through 20 and multiples of 10 and multiples of 11 already, I have a video where you can check that out and learn that. Okay. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So for example, if you want to do 9 a.m., you do 9 in the morning. Yeah, 9 o'clock in the morning. Or 9 p.m., you do 9 o'clock at night. 9 o'clock at night. Yeah. Okay. hotel. So you go like this, and you go like that. Hotel. A letter. I'm not sure if this is right, but I think it means like the letter you write to someone, or it can mean like the letters in someone's name. I think it means both. I'm not entirely sure. You can maybe Google that. Okay, a letter. Yeah, so a letter. And remember is by the head. Remember. Brush teeth. Email you 2 ways. Like this or like that. Email me. Email. You finger spell just email if you're talking about email, and you just finger spell it. E-M-A-I-L. Email. Yeah, so if you don't know the ABCs already, I have a video, so you can go check that out. Tell you. Tell me. And last but not least, ice cream. So like you're holding the cone and you go like this. Yeah. Okay. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.